In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your username on Shein, an incredibly popular online shopping platform. This quick and straightforward guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make changes to your user profile effortlessly. So if you've been wanting to switch things up, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, we need to head to the Shein website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Shein web address. It's the starting point for this whole process. Once there, you'll be greeted with the vibrant homepage full of all the latest fashion trends and deals. Spend a moment to admire the latest collections, but let's make sure you stay focused on the task at hand. To continue, we need to locate your profile, which houses all your personal information, including your current username. To access your profile, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the website. There, you should see a small icon or possibly your username displayed. Click on this to proceed to your personal dashboard. This area is where you'll manage your account settings. It's remarkably user-friendly, so navigating it should be straightforward. Now this brings us to the crucial part, changing your username. Within your profile, you will see various sections like order history, saved items, and essentially your account settings. We're interested in the personal information area of your profile. Here is where your current username is displayed. Simply click on your username or the edit button next to it. This action will enable the editing feature for your username. Think about the new username you wish to use. It's a good idea to choose something unique and memorable, or perhaps something that aligns with your personal style or brand. Once you have selected your new username, type it into the designated field. After entering your new username, make sure to double-check that it's spelled correctly. You don't want any typos that might hinder how friends or the Shein community find you. Once you're satisfied, look for a Save or Update button. Clicking on this will ensure that your changes are stored securely. And just like that, you have successfully updated your username on Shein. This updated identity should now reflect across all Shein platforms you use, from your profile page to comments and anything you share with the community. We hope you found this tutorial both easy to follow and helpful. Remember, whether you're switching usernames just for fun or to signify a fresh start, it's always good to know just how easy it is to make your online presence work for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you benefited from this guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful how-to content. Until next time, happy shopping and take care.